This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear cache in the Thunderbird app. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Thunderbird here. I have the Thunderbird app opened up now. To clear your cache in Thunderbird, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, I am on the General tab. And on the center pane, you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom, down to where you see the disk space area. And in the disk space area, you got a few different options. The first thing here, your cache is currently using, and it says how much my cache is currently using. Mine's 872 kilobytes of disk space. I can click on this button to clear now, or I could check this box next to clear cache on shutdown. It'll clear it when it shuts down. Or the third thing down, override automatic cache management. If you check this box, you could tell Thunderbird how much you will allow the cache to store. By default it's set at 250, but you can change the number if you want. But the main way to do it is right up here by clicking on this Clear Now button. And it automatically clears your cache. Now it says my cache is currently using 0 bytes of disk space. My cache has been cleared. That is how to clear your cache in Thunderbird. Thanks for watching.